Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to enable sound effects on the Gardenscapes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my garden, and you find the different buttons in the home screen. If you want to enable or disable the sound effects, go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the bottom bar you can find the third button, and the fourth button, and if you want to disable, just click to that icon. And if you play, you don't hear the sound effects. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.